Your front lawn is one of the most underused spaces in your entire home, and most people don't even realize it. Instead of leaving it as just grass and a pathway, imagine turning it into a beautiful outdoor retreat that you actually want to spend time in. A front lawn patio can completely change the personality of your home, making it feel warmer, more welcoming, and genuinely impressive. Today on Decor Like Dream, we're exploring ideas that will inspire you to see your front yard in a whole new way. Before you start planning anything, it helps to think about the feeling you want to create. Do you want something peaceful and tucked away, or open and social? The mood you're going for will guide every single decision that follows, from layout to materials to how you arrange everything. Getting clear on that vision early saves you time, money, and a lot of second-guessing. A strong vision is honestly the foundation of every beautiful outdoor space you'll ever see. The layout of your patio matters more than most people expect. A well-thought-out arrangement makes even a modest space feel intentional and polished. Avoid randomly placing things. Instead, think in zones. Create a clear area for seating, leave room for movement, and consider how the space connects to your front entrance. When everything has a purpose and a place, the whole patio feels cohesive and designed rather than thrown together at the last minute. Texture is one of the most powerful design tools available to you, and it costs nothing extra to think about. Mixing different surfaces, materials, and layers adds depth and makes a space visually interesting from every angle. Smooth surfaces paired with something more natural and organic create a satisfying contrast that draws the eye and keeps things feeling dynamic. Don't be afraid to layer. The more thoughtfully you combine different elements, the richer and more intentional your front lawn patio will look overall. Bringing your front lawn patio to life is one of the most rewarding home projects you can take on, because the results are visible every single day. You don't need a massive budget or years of design experience. You just need a clear idea, a little creativity, and the willingness to start. As 2026 continues to inspire fresh outdoor living trends, there's never been a better time to transform your front space into something extraordinary. If this video gave you ideas, subscribe to Decor Like Dream and drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're planning.